Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox where Windows system is too outdated. Please run Windows Update and install system updates to continue. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Updates. Click on open the check for updates. Select the check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, select the advanced options. Select the optional updates. If you have any driver updates available in here, then you just need to expand it and select the check mark boxes and select the download and install option. After downloading the optional updates, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to check my video description for these both links. For Windows 11, copy the link. For Windows 10, this is the link. For Windows 10, you just need to select the update now option under Windows 22 update. Select the update now option and download this Windows 10 upgrade. After downloading it, click on it and install it. For Windows 11, download the Windows 11 installation assistant. After getting download done, click on it and install it, select yes. Do the same thing for Windows 10 as well. After clicking on it, it will automatically check for updates, and if you have any available update, it will show you update now option. Select the update now option and update your PC. In my case, the system is already latest version of Windows. Your system may restart 3 to 4 times during the update process, which is the part of the update, so doesn't need to worry. After the update done, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. After that, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.